I see family fun camp.
Jace, are you ready to go?
Yes.
Oh
Guys,
my gosh,
look,
little
we're
raptor.
raptors.
All right, everybody has their raptor stuff on. 3 velociraptors in the car.
I'm a book. Hey, I'm a book.
I have your book right here. Let me. Here, I have Where is Baby's Pumpkin for you. Everybody's gonna read a book while we're on our way to the Turkey Hill experience.
It's how to make ice cream.
How to make ice cream. All right, we made it.
Now look at that giant cow.
Look at that giant cow. We made it to the Turkey Hill experience. You want to see a cow? There's a giant cow over there. Whoa. Look at that big moo cow. All right, let's go in. Go ahead, guys. Uh-oh. Is this the wrong side? We got our map.
Huh?
Why don't we look at the graphics? It says the cream separator right here was produced in the 1930s and could separate nearly 600 pounds of milk per an hour.
So that's what we could do in the future if we have a cow.
Yeah. So
Guys, stay tuned for Family Farm Camp.
yeah, stay tuned.
And also, wanna see me and Jane did a vlog?
Yeah.
Okay, it's saying near the sides makes me like, is this fence gonna?
Is this safe?
Always grab the things that are really close to the side. So I just
Yeah.
picked up a mirror. It doesn't work.
No, that's because it wants your money.
Oh my gosh, a cow.
Oh, there's a nice little cow. Is that a cute little cow? Oh. You want to pet it? Okay, let me
There's a baby cow.
lift you up. Oh, right, here you go. Here, pet the little cow.
Hooray!
That's such a nice cow.
Oh, guys, there's another cow.
Another cow? Aww. And that's a cow. Wow, you could probably go over and milk the cow, guys. Is it not working? There you go. It's a nice little cow. Oh, that is loud.
We're almost out of gas. We need to go to the gas station.
Uh-oh.
Okay, we need it.
We
Yay! Come on, Jace. Gotcha, son.
Which way would you guys rather milk the cow? With the electric or with by your hands?
Well, yeah.
Electric?
And also, people needed to milk cows 2 times
That's
each
right.
day.
Twice a day. Oh, this is a story, yeah. Wow, look, there's milk containers up there. Pretty cool. So these are driver stories.
You can actually hear something.
Yeah, it's,
Hello?
you have to listen. They're audio stories, and you push the button.
And look at this, and you'll grab this, push a button, and you'll hear one of the stories.
Very good. Look, Jace.
Here, someone's talking.
Oh, you can go over to Jaden's.
To talk to you. Jace, you need to hear this.
It says something.
You say something?
That is high.
Oh no, you can't. We go listen.
We're almost out of gas. Some iced tea. You hold it lower and you push down on the top, just slow. This is green tea. Do you want, there's iced tea, raspberry tea, lemonade. Aww. Hi, yo.
Do you want to try one?
Yeah, I think I am gonna try one.
Try sweet tea.
I'm gonna try the strawberry kiwi.
Iced tea.
Iced tea? Okay.
What are you?
You gotta come down here, Jace.
What do you want? Just want lemonade, peach tea.
Is it good?
This place is so good.
All right, everybody's playing the bacteria blaster game. Is this fun, Jaden? We're blasting away bacteria. What? I do this one? Okay. Let's blast some bacteria. Get them, Jace. Oh no! Right here. You gotta grab your hat. You're a Turkey Hill ice cream maker. You gotta go get a hat too so you can become a Turkey Hill ice cream maker. Over here.
I mean, many people eat those. Don't mind, many people eat those. They taste good. Hey, don't knock it till you try it.
That's right. In a couple minutes, we gotta go down to get our ice cream. Do our ice cream thing.
Hello, Mommy. What do you want?
I'll take a chocolate ice cream, please.
Here you go.
Thank you, baby. Thank you. Oh, so yummy.
There you go.
That is so good.
Okay, guys, we should probably...
Yeah, we do have to head back down into our, because our thing starts at 12:15. Are you ready to go make some ice cream?
Wait, for real?
For real. Are you ready to go make some ice cream?
Yeah, me this.
We gotta leave that here, but we're gonna go do a different one. All right, come on, let's go. All right, we gotta go downstairs.
Can I do the ad first?
What is this? Can we actually do this? Oh my gosh, Chase!
Oh, yeah!
Oh, it's just cold, that's all. Come on. Go ahead. Now you can do your commercial.
Oh, come on.
All right, you want me to open up yours, Jaden? Nice job. Okay, Jackson, you want to do your commercial first?
Hi, you should try my ice cream. Thanks, bye.
Hey, Cal, how do you like my ice cream? That's what I'm doing.
All right, now we got to come over and view the commercial.
How do you like my ice cream? Bye.
Ice cream tasting. Jaden got banana.
Ma, you have to try some.
I think that's
He's like, try yours.
raspberry and
Everything all together?
It's weird cotton candy.
That's super swirl, and that's
Try
banana.
some.
Let me try
It
some.
tastes just like banana, right?
Wow,
like a
really
banana.
good. Banana's really good. You like super swirl?
Yeah.
Yeah?
This is going to be so fun.
I don't think I can eat any more ice cream. We made ice cream, we got the sample ice cream, but I could drink some more tea. Okay, well we are done the Turkey Hill experience.
Hi.
They got some souvenirs,
I got this, a cowtail, and I got this.
and we also got some ice cream.
It's 10
And-
inches high and 10 inches wide.
Yeah. So you guys have fun? Did you enjoy making your own ice cream? What was your most favorite part? Jaden, go ahead.
My favorite part is when went to get the free tea sample.
Jackson, what was your favorite part?
Eating the ice cream.
Eating ice cream. Jace, what was your favorite part? The slide.
That's fine.
You like the slide? We learned an interesting fact about cow teeth.
They have 50 teeth on the bottom, and they're
No, 30.
Like 32 or
30.
something.
they literally on the thing it says 50. Okay, 50 teeth on the bottom,
Are you sure it's 50?
and then a giant plate or like shell on the top.
Cows have 32 teeth.
I have 50 teeth. He said he has 50 teeth. Guys, I'm sorry, I was right.
All right, well, thanks for watching
Look
this
what I
video.
did.
Whoa, nice job.